Swine farms in Spain. Pork is among the most consumed types of meat in the world. The porcine sector represents in our country 37% of the final cattle production. It is, therefore, the most important sector of our ranching. The Spanish census points out that in 2015 were more than 28 million of pig heads, which places Spain as a country with a major number of pigs within the European Union. The production of meat was closely 4 million tons, exporting principally to other European countries. There are three systems of production according to the degree of intensification: extensive, semi-extensive, and intensive. In this video, we will talk about the intensive production and the white pig. How is a farm distributed? Gestation. The facilities of breeding consist basically on rectangular pig buildings with 2 rows of cages to lodge individually every sow. On the sides there is a hallway for the male swine for strolling and thus stimulate the hogs. Maternity. The maternity building consists of individual cages, where the sow lodges 7 days before the birth until the weaning. Cages have rods that prevent the crossing of pigs. Transition and feed. The piglets are gathered after weaning, and the feeding turns little by little into solid food. When this period is over, pigs are taken in groups to larger areas so they can consume feed ad libitum. Technology in the swine farm. Modern farms no longer use concrete floors. Instead, drainage floors are used, which improve the welfare of animals and hygiene. This is one of the many slabs used, placed above concrete floor, so the slurry falls through holes. Ventilation. In Spain, due to the high temperatures, modern farms use forced ventilation. The gathering of swine raises the temperature and the air becomes unhealthy. The fans generate enough airflow to keep the room in optimum conditions. There is also natural ventilation, which uses the weight differences between hot and cold air, which produces airflows inside the building. These differences generates the entrance of fresh air from outside. Thanks to the organization of the modern farm, the improvement of the feed, and the technological changes, the profitability of these farms has increased. Nowadays, it is feasible to own a large number of swine with very little labor and high animal welfare. Automatic and process is a priority, as well as finding destination for the high amount of slurry that is generated. These problems will undoubtedly be solved in the not too distant future.